guys. So right now we're on our way. We're going to where?
To El Carajo Beach Club Restaurant. It's in Piñones.
Piñones. Okay. And the reason why is because today's a very special day. You, Missy, may not know, but this has been planned for a while. For a long time, guys. And guess what? Kevin is gonna ask you to be his wife later on. She's gonna cry. Relax.
You know, and Stephanie's in the car. She's like, why? It's okay. We're going to the beach. Why is everybody rushing? This is why, bitch, because the musicians are going to be there by 1 o'clock. And it's already, look, 1:11, 1:17. Oh, my God.
This was supposed to happen at 12:15. ¡Una hora tarde!
Estoy muy contenta porque mi hijo tiene una gran familia, una muchacha de hogar, de casa, una familia dulce y buena.
We got more family.
Porque Kevin siempre le pedía yo a Dios que me le diera algo que fuera bueno para su vida, deseándole todo lo mejor y la dicha del mundo y que la unión sea para siempre.
So the reason why your mom is really stressed is because we have this all planned. She has this all planned. She's been stressed for a while.
I've been following Kevin's instructions.
Yes. Right, so we're gonna stay tuned. So you'll see more videos from our end. All right, we love you. We're happy for you. And guess what?
And you better say yes, bitch.
Yeah.
If you don't, you probably won't see the video.
See you later.
I'm executing.
By now you got the gist of what's going on. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a unicycle for your grandma or a letter from Hogwarts. I tried to get SeaWorld to rent me a dolphin, but they threatened to call ASPCA on me. I wanted to bring over some fireworks, but I don't think that would fly by with customs. So I guess we're here with a big-headed guy and some demons trying to ruin the party. Thankfully, he's kicking their ass. You've been patiently waiting for this moment, and I know I always told you when we made 5 years I would pop the question. I didn't know when or how I would do it, but this opportunity came up and I said this is it. This is the day that will mark the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. I love being with you and I know I can't live a day without you. You always ask me what would you do without me. I know one thing's for sure, you definitely can't make a proper gallon of Tang juice. My initial plan was to improvise this entire speech, but I couldn't even say a word without getting choked up in the mirror. It's unfortunate we're in a generation that doesn't believe in true love and family, but I consider us old souls. Believe it or not, we've been inseparable since day one. I don't want it any other way. You're the reason I am the person I am today, along with my family. I want you entirely for the rest of my life. With that being said, Stephanie Rose Feliciano Vasquez, will you marry me?
pasó nada.